Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to assign a sound to your print screen key so that way you know for sure if the print screen actually worked, because normally if I were to just press the print screen key like this, I don't know for sure that it's doing anything until I actually try and paste it in somewhere. So how we're going to do this is with a quick registry edit. We have this registry file, print screen sound. So if you open it up, here's what it's going to do right here. So all you need to do to enable the sound is double click the registry file, click on Run, say yes to the UAC prompt, and then click on yes to entering it into the registry, and then OK. So now if I press print screen, it uses the notify WAV file from the Windows Media folder. So what you could actually do is you could go in and find another file you like. And you could just kind of go through and try them out. So let's say you like that one. You could just copy the name here. You can technically add it here before you import this registry file here, and then it'll add it. Or what you could do is actually go to this key here. So you copy the key without the brackets, open up regedit, paste it in the address bar here. So here's the key that was made from the registry entry right here. So we could change this to the one we wanted to use here, ring out. Double click it. Make sure you spell it exactly the same. So now if we do a print screen, we have our new sound. And then of course they don't have to be in the Windows Media folder. You could have these WAV files elsewhere. Let's say you had one from a game that you liked or something like that, or you made your own. You could just change the path in the registry file here to make it match, and then that's all you have to do. And then of course if you change your mind and you don't want it, you could just come here and either delete this current key, or you could probably just delete the whole snapshot like so. Now if I press print screen, no more sound. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download this registry file, and then you could add sound to your print screen key. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.